2,000 years later.
After many weeks of speculating on whether Kaizer Chiefs can sign a striker or not, it was reported that Kaizer Chiefs have decided to offer Burundian international Bonfils-Caleb Bimenyimana a contract. This comes from a South African journalist, Austin Ditlobolo. Kaizer Chiefs have opened contract negotiations with Bimenyimana. Bonfils will join Kaizer Chiefs on a 2-year deal. Kaizer Chiefs also went back to the drawing board after failing to secure the services of Kabamelo Kurisang and Mmodi. Kaizer Chiefs are heavily linked with a replacement for Mmodi in Katleho Otladisa and Ndambaitentwa Ndlodlo, who both play for Marua Gladiants. Kaizer Chiefs have until the 31st of August before the transfer window closes to sign these two players or either one to replace Mmodi and Kodisang. Kaizer Chiefs and Lesotho international striker Katlego Makateng has joined Richards Bay after Kaizer Chiefs pulled out on signing him. Kaizer Chiefs have decided against giving Wade Lakey a contract in order for him to play for Kaizer Chiefs. He failed to impress Kaizer Chiefs in the trial.